Tabanero Cigars, it's a guy from Havana, a Habanero, but now he's in Tampa, so he's a Tabanero. It was a made-up word, and Tabanero Cigars is a small factory right here in Tampa, Florida, who believe we're gonna repeat history. We're gonna make great cigars that are gonna place Tampa back in the map when it comes to handmade cigars. When people come into the shop, the first statement they mention is, wow, the aroma brings me back. The aroma brings memory that takes me back to my childhood. They can spot real quick that there's a piece of history right here. There's people trying to rescuing something that was completely lost. They also feel that we're going forward, so they feel good that there's not an industry that is going to completely die out. And you see them talking about their parents, their grandparents. Oh, my grandparent used to do this. Wow, this is phenomenal that you guys keep doing this the same way of 100 years ago. So they come in, they see how the cigars are manufactured, they see the humidor, how we age the cigars. They see new implementations of equipment that it makes easier for quality control. And it's curious because in such an old industry, seeing new equipment, it's unique. We also share with them a little bit of the history so they understand why there are so many cigar shops right here in Ybor City. That's a question that always comes up. The question about Cuban cigars always comes up, and we're trying to explain that cigars is a personal preference, and it's kind of like anything in life, like wine, like liquor, is your personal preference. And we also, at the end of the tour, we have a small presentation on how to cut and light up the cigar the correct way. I think the city of Tampa is pretty unique. When I got here in 2003 from Miami, Florida, I realized that it was a slower paced town. And I guess because of that reason, you tend more to focus and concentrate on the customer. You don't feel that competition that is so aggressive. Most of the time you're just watching what the competition is doing. In Tampa, it's a lot more laid back, so it's easier for you to concentrate and conduct business in Tampa, Florida.